What is oceanography? Oceanography is a scientific study of the ocean, including its physical properties, chemical composition, biological communities, and geological features. There are four main branches of oceanography. We have physical oceanography, chemical oceanography, biological and geological oceanography. Now, the physical oceanography studies ocean movements, waves, currents, tides, temperature, density, and light penetration. The chemical oceanography examines the chemical composition of seawater, nutrient cycles, and ocean chemistry. Biological oceanography focuses on marine organisms and ecosystems. Geological oceanography studies the ocean floor, plate tectonics, and sediments. Now, the ocean covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface and contains about 97% of Earth's water. It plays crucial roles in climate regulation, weather patterns, food supply, and supports vast biodiversity. Understanding the ocean is essential for addressing climate change, resource management, and environmental protection. Now we have ocean basins. The major ones, we have the Pacific Ocean. That's the largest and deepest ocean and contains the Ring of Fire. We have the Atlantic Ocean, the second largest, a little younger than the Pacific Ocean. We have the Indian Ocean, the third largest, bounded by Africa, Asia, and Australia. We have the Southern Ocean, or the Antarctic Ocean, surrounds Antarctica. And then we have the Arctic Ocean, the smallest and shallowest, mostly covered by ice. Seafloor topography. We have the continental shelf, which is shallow, gently sloping, an extension of continents. Continental slopes, continental rise, abyssal plain, mid-ocean ridge, ocean trench, seamount, plate tectonics, and ocean floor. The theory of plate tectonics explains seafloor spreading, where new oceanic crust forms and mid-ocean ridges and old crust is destroyed at subduction zones. This process drives movement of continents and creates ocean basin features. Properties of seawater. Salinity is the amount of dissolved salt in the sea, typically expressed in parts per thousand, ppt. Average ocean salinity is about 35 ppt or 3.5%. Major ions in seawater, we have chloride, sodium, sulfate, magnesium, calcium, and potassium in its order of abundance. Factors affecting salinity, we have evaporation, precipitation, river input, ice formation, ice melting. Now temperature. Ocean temperature varies with depth and location. Now you have the surface layer, mixed layer, which is 0 to 200 meters, affected by solar heating and wind mixing. Thermocline, rapid temperature decrease with depth. We have deep layer, that's below 100 meters, cold and stable. Density, seawater density depends on temperature, salinity, and pressure. Cool water is of course denser than warm water. Salty water is denser than fresh water. And pressure increases density with depth. Light and sound in the ocean. Light penetration. It only penetrates at 200 meters, the photic zone. Red light absorbs first, blue light penetrates deepest, and below 100 meters is the aphotic zone where no light penetration occurs. Sound travels faster in water than in air, of course. It's about 1,500 meters per second in the sea water, used by marine mammals for communication and navigation. SOFAR channel allows sound to travel long distances. Ocean circulation, surface currents. This is driven primarily by wind, modified by the Coriolis effect and continental boundaries.